Hello, trading is closed on January 23rd, 2019. We'll go over our calls. We looked for higher prices, got them at the open. We actually closed higher too. We wanted a pattern with the early low and the late high. We got that. We said the pattern usually closed near its high, and if it didn't, it was because there was weakness in the first 1 to 2 hours. We had that. Tomorrow's pattern's the one with the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. During the day, MEJT says this rally is false, targets 26.24, most likely to print tomorrow, and that's my call. This looks like real trouble to me. Here's what we had for our possible top. Here's our 89-week moving average, separates bulls from the bears. So it's stretched about as far as you go. Here's our trend line, which stopped the advance. Here's our fib target of the prior consolidation right there. There's the reversal. If that is the high, then this was a strong move down. We then have an ABC. A stopped right at a Fibonacci retracement of the initial decline. C stopped right at the Fibonacci retracement. It makes it plausible we could drop right from the open tomorrow. Here's my target. We came close to this one. There's no law that says if you come close to it one day, you usually hit it pretty soon thereafter. It's not one of my rules, but perhaps it should be. And it just doesn't happen often enough for me to be confident. And when we've already come this close once, the support that's usually found under the target has been used up. So we have the potential for dropping right from the open, hitting this target, and it wouldn't take much. It wouldn't take much to convince me that this up leg really is over. Probably purple A, that we're starting purple B, could take us well under 2,500 before the leg's over. So the only call I'm going to make is 26.24 and the pattern with the early low. Invalidated if we gap and promptly take out this high. But even though that's the only official call, be aware we have the potential to be starting something much more severe on the downside than that number would indicate. And that's today's call.